Come on, let's look this way first. Let's see if we can find an egg on this side. See? Ada, look under the house. Maybe there's an egg there.
Where?
Look under the house. Maybe there is one there.
Papa.
Look.
Papa,
What
there's
if
an egg.
there's an egg? You found it. Go get it, get it, get it. Put it in your basket. You have to.
Reach it.
You can. You sit down. You'll reach it. Here. Here. Okay. Put it in the basket. Wow, you did. Cut. Now let's find another one. Is there one on this side? What if there's one on this side? Look, there is an egg. You found it. Go get it.
It's gonna tickle me.
I know. Now let's keep going. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Let's see if there's one on this side. Did you find one?
But no,
What
I found
is-
a dandelion.
You did?
Yes.
Well, pick it up. Pluck it. There you go. You can get it? There you go. Wow. Put you in your basket. And then,
Papa,
what?
Mother,
What'd you find?
I-
Show me. Wow.